In this video, we're covering permeable concrete driveway cost. First, permeable concrete driveway cost. Higher than standard, 15 to 20/square feet. Requires deep gravel bed. Eco-friendly, no runoff issues. Also, quick answer, a concrete driveway costs 10 to 13 per square foot for basic finish, 16 to 28 for stamped. A typical two-car driveway, 400 to 600 square feet, runs 4,000 to 15,000 installed. Moving to permeable concrete driveway, cost and benefits. Permeable, or pervious, concrete allows water to drain through it, reducing runoff and helping with stormwater management. It's an eco-friendly option that's becoming more popular, but it comes with higher costs and specific requirements. This guide covers what permeable concrete costs and when it makes sense. Next, cost comparison, example only. Disclaimer: these are example price ranges for reference. Actual costs vary significantly based on location, materials, site conditions, and project specifics. Also, cost difference: permeable concrete typically costs approximately 50 to 100% more than standard concrete. The higher cost comes from specialized materials and more extensive base preparation. Regarding why permeable costs more, several factors contribute to the higher cost. On specialized concrete mix, permeable concrete uses a special mix with little to no fine aggregate, sand. This creates voids that allow water to pass through. The specialized mix costs more than standard concrete. Moving to deep gravel base, permeable concrete requires a much deeper gravel base than standard concrete, typically 8 to 12 inches versus 4 to 6 inches. This requires. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.